Introduction. This text is about Sarah Qureshi, a Pakistani aerospace engineer who wants to reduce pollution caused by airplanes. The text explains how aviation contributes to climate change through carbon dioxide emissions and contrails. Sarah Qureshi is developing a special contrail-free aircraft engine to make air travel safer for the environment. Her invention can reduce global warming and help make aviation sustainable. The text also explains scientific terms such as aviation, emissions, combustion, and sustainable development. Summary of the story. The text begins by explaining that the aviation industry is responsible for about 2.5% of global carbon dioxide (CO2) emissions. Airplanes release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which increases global warming and climate change. Because millions of people travel by air every year, aviation has become an important environmental issue. The passage then introduces Dr. Sarah Qureshi, a talented Pakistani aerospace engineer who wants to solve this environmental problem. Sarah grew up in a family that strongly valued education and science. Her mother had a PhD in quantum chemistry, and her father was a famous physicist and scientist. Their encouragement inspired Sarah to study engineering and aviation. Sarah developed a strong passion for flying and caring for the environment. She completed a PhD degree in aerospace propulsion and started working on new technology to reduce aircraft pollution. Her mission is to transform the aviation industry and make air travel environmentally friendly and sustainable. The text explains that airplane emissions became a major topic of discussion at climate conferences after climate activist Greta Thunberg refused to fly across the Atlantic Ocean in 2019 because she wanted to avoid airplane pollution. This event helped people realize that aviation also contributes greatly to climate change. Sarah Qureshi is described as a trailblazer for women in Pakistan because she is working in a difficult scientific field where few women are present. She became the CEO of Pakistan's first private aviation company called Aero Engine Craft, which she started with her father. Their company is developing the world's first contrail-free aircraft engine. The text explains that contrails are the thin white lines seen behind airplanes in the sky. These are artificial clouds made when hot water vapor from aircraft exhaust freezes at very cold temperatures high in the atmosphere. Scientists believe these contrails trap heat in the atmosphere and contribute even more to global warming than carbon dioxide emissions from aircraft. Sarah's invention is designed to solve this problem. Her engine uses turbomachinery technology to separate water vapor from aircraft exhaust. Instead of releasing the vapor high in the sky, the system stores it inside the aircraft and releases it before landing. This can greatly reduce the formation of contrails and lower global warming. The text also mentions that although Pakistan contributes less than 1% to global warming, it is one of the countries most affected by climate change. Pakistan faces problems such as melting glaciers, floods, heat waves, and changing weather patterns. Overall, the story shows how one intelligent and determined person can use science and technology to help the world. Sarah Qureshi's invention may make air travel cleaner, safer, and more sustainable for future generations. Answers to all questions. Question. What is Dr. Sarah Qureshi's mission? Answer. Dr. Sarah Qureshi's mission is to reduce airplane pollution and make air travel environmentally friendly and sustainable. A2. Question. Discuss Sarah Qureshi's invention. How will it impact the environment? Answer. Sarah Qureshi invented a contrail-free aircraft engine. It separates water vapor from aircraft exhaust and stores it inside the plane. This invention can reduce global warming and make aviation safer for the environment. A3. Question. What are contrails? How are they adversely affecting the climate? Answer. Contrails are white clouds formed by airplane exhaust at high altitudes. They trap heat in the atmosphere and increase global warming. B1. Question. The word contrail is a portmanteau of condensation and trail. Can you think of other portmanteau words in the English language? Answer. Some examples are smog barabar smoke juma fog, brunch barabar breakfast juma lunch, motel barabar motor juma hotel, infotainment barabar information juma entertainment. Question. Even though Pakistan has a negligible contribution to global warming, it is still one of the worst affected countries from climate change. Discuss why this is so. Answer. Pakistan faces floods, glacier melting, heat waves, and extreme weather because climate change affects the whole world. Poor infrastructure and geographical conditions also increase the damage. C2. Question. How useful do you think Dr. Sarah Qureshi's invention is in terms of making air travel sustainable and eco-friendly? Answer. Her invention is very useful because it can reduce aircraft pollution, decrease global warming, and make future air travel more environmentally friendly. Grammar vocabulary exercises. Glossary words. Aviation. Meaning, designing, building, and flying aircraft. Emission. Meaning, release of gases, heat, or light. Combustion. Meaning, the process of burning fuel. Sustainable. Meaning, using resources in a way that does not harm the environment. Portmanteau words. Question. Can you think of other portmanteau words in the English language? Answers. Smog barabar smoke juma fog, brunch barabar breakfast juma lunch, motel barabar motor juma hotel, blog barabar web juma log, infotainment barabar information juma entertainment. Important MCQs with answers. Who is the me personality discussed in the text? Sarah Qureshi, Greta Thunberg, Rachel Carson, Michelle Obama. Answer. Sarah Qureshi. What profession does Sarah Qureshi have? Doctor, teacher, aerospace engineer, pilot. Answer. Aerospace engineer. Which country does Sarah Qureshi belong to? India, Pakistan, China, Turkey. Answer. Pakistan. What is Sarah Qureshi's mission? Build cars, reduce aircraft pollution, become a pilot, travel the world. Answer. Reduce aircraft pollution. What percentage of global CO2 emissions comes from aviation? 1%, 2.5%, 10%, 20%. Answer. 2%. What does aviation mean? Building roads, flying aircraft, farming, fishing. Answer. Flying aircraft. What inspired Sarah Qureshi in childhood? Sports, family, education and science, politics, business. Answer. Family, education and science. What degree does Sarah Qureshi have? Medical degree, aerospace propulsion PhD, law degree, arts degree. Answer. Aerospace propulsion PhD. Who inspired aviation discussions in 2019 by avoiding air travel? Rachel Carson, Greta Thunberg, Elon Musk, Newton. Answer. Greta Thunberg. What company did Sarah Qureshi launch? Air Pakistan, Aero Engine Craft, Skytech, Green Air. Answer. Aero Engine Craft. What type of engine is Sarah developing? Electric car engine, contrail, free aircraft engine, steam engine, rocket engine. Answer. Contrail free aircraft engine. What are contrails? Rain clouds, white trails behind jets, smoke from factories, fog. Answer. White trails behind jets. What causes contrails? Dust, frozen water vapor, rain, smoke only. Answer. Frozen water vapor. What do contrails trap in the atmosphere? Cold air, heat, oxygen, water only. Answer. Heat. What do scientists say about contrails? They cool earth, they contribute to warming, they stop pollution, they create oxygen. Answer. They contribute to warming. What is combustion? Freezing, burning, cooling, melting. Answer. Burning. What does sustainable mean? Dangerous, harmful, environmentally safe, expensive. Answer. Environmentally safe. Why is Sarah called a trailblazer? She climbed mountains, she opened new paths for women, she became a singer, she discovered gold. Answer: she opened new paths for women. What problem is Pakistan facing due to climate change? Snowfall only, glacier retreat, less farming, less population. Answer: glacier retreat. How much does Pakistan contribute to global warming? 50%, 25%, less than 1%, 10%. Answer: less than 1%. What does Sara's invention separate from exhaust emissions? Smoke, dust, water vapor, fuel. Answer: water vapor. When is the stored water vapor released? Immediately before landing in space during takeoff. Answer: before landing. What is the goal of Sara's invention? Increase speed, reduce global warming, build larger planes, save fuel only. Answer: reduce global warming. What type of clouds are contrails called? Natural clouds, artificial clouds, rain clouds, storm clouds. Answer: artificial clouds. What is emitted by aircraft engines besides sand, water vapor, rocks, soil? Answer: water vapor. What does emission mean? Stopping gas, release of gases, cooling air, cleaning water. Answer: release of gases. What kind of company is Aero Engine Craft? Food company, aviation company, textile company, software company. Answer: aviation company. What does the invention benefit? Only pilots, environment and aviation industry, only passengers, only scientists. Answer: environment and aviation industry. What quality helped Sara succeed? Laziness, passion and education, luck only, wealth only. Answer: passion and education. What is the main message of the text? Ignore climate issues, science and innovation can help the planet, flying should stop forever, technology is useless. Answer: science and innovation can help the planet.